Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this section, we are going to discuss about the states of matter. In states of matter, the matter is three states. One is solid, liquid and gases. Now in this section, I am going to explain the gaseous states. These are the important properties of gaseous states. First of all, I am explain these properties, and after I am going to explain them gases laws. Now these are the basic properties of gaseous states. First one is the gases are highly compressible. It means, for example, these are the container. This container having a gases molecules are present in there. Whenever the pressure is applied to them, this container, these gases molecules are closely each other. It means it is a nature of the highly compressible. This is the first property of gases. And second one is no fixed shape and volume of gases. Gases are do not having a particular shape and volume. The shape of the gases are depend upon the volume of container. That is the second point of the second property of gases. And third one is the force of attraction least. Gases molecules are force of attraction is least with compared to the solids and liquids. And fourth one is high kinetic energy. The gaseous molecules are high kinetic energy. It means the molecules are momentum is freely. It means gaseous molecules are highly kinetic energy. And fifth one is the mixture of gases are always homogeneous. It means diffusion maximum. The gaseous molecules is are mixed to the gaseous molecules is easily homogeneous. It means the diffusion power is maximum. And sixth one is the have much lower density than solids and liquids. Gases density is less with compared to the liquids and solids. The reason is density is equal to mass by volume. Now the gaseous molecules in a volume, the volume of gaseous molecule is least. Whenever the molecules of gases is least, the density is also decreases. With compared to the liquids and solids have much lower density than solids and liquids. Gases are low density with compared to the solids and liquids. These are the important basic properties of the gases. Now and next topic is I am going to explain the what is the gases laws. Gases laws. The gases laws is the gases law is depending upon the measurable properties. The measurable properties is n number of moles, p pressure, v volume and t temperature. These are the measurable properties of gas. These measurable properties need to find out the some laws. The laws are called as gases laws. In gases law, first law is the Boyle's Boyle's law. Boyle scientist was proposed this law. This called as Boyle's law. Boyle's law is the number of moles is fixed, and at constant temperature volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. Boyle's law is states that the number of moles is fixed at constant temperature, volume is inversely proportional to the pressure. This called as Boyle's law. Now when volume is inversely proportional to pressure, it means this inversely proportional, this symbol is removed. Now is equal to the constant is K by P. It means PV is equal to K. This is the PV is equal to K, and this is the initial, and in final the value is the P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. This is the Boyle's law is the Charles law. Charles was proposed this law. In Charles scientist was proposed this law. This law states that at fixed number of moles of gases is fixed at constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to the temperature. The number of moles of gases is fixed at constant pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature. This is called as the Charles law. Now this Charles law, this symbol is removed. V is equal to K into T. It means V by T is equal to K. V by T is equal to K. Now the initial and final values, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. This is the Charles law, is the Galax law. Galax was proposed. This law is called as Galax law. Galax law states that the number of moles is constant. The number of moles is fixed at constant volume. The Galax states that the number of moles of gases is fixed at constant volume. Pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. It means P is equal to K into T, and P by T is equal to K, and P1 by T1 is equal to P2 by T2. These are the Galax law. Galax law is the states that the number of moles of the gases is fixed at constant volume. Pressure is directly proportional to the temperature. This is the Galax law. And another important law is the Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law states that at constant temperature and pressure, the number of moles, it means the number of moles is directly proportional to the volume. This is called as Avogadro's law. Avogadro's law is the at constant temperature and pressure, these two are constant, volume of gas is directly proportional to the number of moles, is called as Avogadro's law. It means V is equal to K into N. Now V by N is equal to K. V1 by N1 is equal to V2 by N2. These are these called as Avogadro's law. In these four laws, now we have to these three law combined to form the equation. That equation is also called as the ideal gas equation. The ideal PV is equal to nRT. It means P is inversely proportional to the pressure, volume is directly proportional to temperature, and volume is directly proportional to the number of moles. Now V is directly proportional to the number of moles into temperature by pressure. It means PV is equal PV directly proportional to the NT. It means PV is equal to nRT. This PV is equal to nRT is called as ideal gas equation. Now these three laws combined, Boyle's law, Charles law and Avogadro's law, these three laws combined to form a equation. That equation is also called as ideal gas equation. That is PV is equal to nRT. In R is the universal gas constant. These are the important equation. That equation is called as ideal gas equation. This is the basic concept of the gases laws, Boyle's and Charles and Avogadro's laws. To form the equation, that equation is called as ideal gas equation. One more important point is gases condition is the low pressure and high temperature. This is the very important point. When real gas is behaved as the ideal gas, this condition is important: low pressure and high temperature. This is the basic concepts of the gases states and properties of gases and gases laws. to form the ideal gas equation. This is the basic introduction of the gases. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.